Everyone present here. I feel very happy and elated that I've been invited for such a wonderful opening, and I absolutely feel on Cloud9 being here at Cloud9, and I'd like to take the opportunity to congratulate Dr. Kishore on such a wonderful endeavor. Everything from antenatal to neonatal care to revolutionizing the concept of pregnancy and delivery. I just think this place is truly like a one-stop shop for baby and mother care, and I really think that that is the need of the hour. I was appalled recently to hear of the maternal mortality rate, and as Dr. Kishore had mentioned, it's literally 46,000 deaths during childbirth, and that only comes from an apathy of maybe not wanting to know or not wanting to care enough for the mother. And I just think that Cloud9 is on the right path, and it's very important for every woman to understand and know that it is her right to be treated with love, respect, and have the best health care possible in this time. I think motherhood, yes, motherhood should be an experience that, and pregnancy should be an experience that women should cherish. It should not be a fearful experience. I feel with the mortality rates, I would be scared. You know, we are the privileged ones, but the ones who can't afford it, I think with the kind of rates that doctor said that they're offering, I just think that it's wonderful, it's encouraging, and also educational with this entire program that they've launched today. It's Our Baby, where they're educating the couple in understanding that it's not just the mother's job, it's also the father's job from the beginning. You know, ऐसे नहीं कि 5 मिनट का काम खत्म करके फिर then it's left to the woman. So on a serious note, I just think that the whole attitude has to change, and the attitude will only change if it happens from the grassroots level, if it happens from our homes. Why should we want to see that change happening in other people's homes only? You have to start, you have to begin with educating your children, whether it be girl or boy, to make them understand that it is so important to respect, girls. It's so important to show them that love. That pregnancy is a time where what the mother feels, the child goes through. It is very true that your child will turn out with that kind of, the frame of mind that the mother has been in. So if you have a cranky child, you must have been very cranky during your pregnancy. So if you want a happy child, you have to feel happy. And for that, you need the best health care, because the doctors actually put you at ease. And I was mentioning a few days ago, I was at this event with gynecologists. I've been dealing with a lot of gynecologists recently. So I had a very difficult pregnancy, and I was truly scared because I think I started very late in my life. So I just think that if not for my doctor and for the healthcare provider that I had, I would have been really, I was already going through a lot, and I would have been very scared. But I think with God's grace, I had my child, and touch wood, he's very fit and healthy, and that really happened because of the the right kind of attention to detail that was given during my pregnancy. And I think every woman, not just because I'm an actor or because I'm a celebrity, I think it was important at that point for the doctor to feel that she is a mother and she deserves this, not because I'm a celebrity, and every woman deserves that right. So thank you very much. I take the carte blanche on behalf of all the women. So Chandigarh, you have one of the best facilities when it comes to birthing, and I've got to understand that they have everything from affordable maternity, fertility, gynecology, neonatology, newborn intensive care. इतना सब कुछ तो बॉम्बे में भी नहीं है यार. High risk pregnancy care and pediatric services across the country. So it's wonderful. Congratulations, and you're on a great journey, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much for having me.
So